I'm going to do a book haul. Before that, I have a tutorial on the look that I have today. So if you guys are interested in trying that look out, please click right here. It will take you straight away to the tutorial that I made. Anyway, so okay, so I have a book haul, and it's from Kinokuniya. It's located in KLCC. If you guys have watched my video, I mentioned that I want to collect all of Julia Quinn's Mr. Bridgerton series. Now I did buy it. They called me the other day because I made an order for it. They had to order it first, and then after that they will call me once it's already in store. I received a call. I did go to KLCC and pick up the books that they reserved for me. The first one is The Duke and I. Okay, it's very nice, very cute cover. These are all the covers for the UK version. The US version is not that nice. I don't know what, I can't remember what was the print on it, but it's not as nice as this. So that was The Duke and I. The next one is On the Way to the Wedding. Very cute. The Viscount Who Loved Me. It's In His Kiss. An Offer from a Gentleman. And To Sir Philip with Love. Now, I heard that To Sir Philip with Love wasn't that nice, but I bought it anyway, just to complete the series. It was going for 32 to 33 for each book. It depends on the thick. I think depends on how big it is and how thick it is. So try to check that out. I'm still working on my Romancing Mr. Bridgerton. I'm halfway through, so hopefully I'll get to finish it very soon. The next thing that I bought from Kinokuniya is something that was recommended by Mischievous. She's on YouTube. It's this. This is Water for Elephants, and it's from Sarah Gruen. If I'm not mistaken, they have 3 covers for this book. There's one that was slightly different. It doesn't look as nice to me, doesn't appeal to me. The other one, because this book is going to be made into a movie, so they have Robert Pattinson embracing Reese Witherspoon on the cover, which I didn't like. I like this one better. So it has, I can't remember what this guy is called. I think he's the head, or he's the host of the circus or something like that. So I'm really interested to read this. I heard that it's a very colorful story. It really gets you interested from the start of this book until the finish. So I'm really interested to read it. I read a few pages from it, but I was holding on to it. I really want to finish off my Romancing Mr. Bridgerton, and after that I'm going to start with this. Hopefully very soon. That's it. I have a recommendation of a book that I like. So I've had this book for a long while. Long while. As you can see, the pages are turning yellow. My father asked me to read this book, and I read it, and I fell in love with it straight away. It was not my regular romance novels or anything like that. This is like a spy book. It's called Remote Control, and it's from this author, Andy McNab. He also wrote Bravo to Zero. It wasn't as good as this one. It was nice, but wasn't as good. This one, you can read it from the start to the finish and not get bored at all. It's really nice. I don't want to tell you what the story is about. If you're really interested in buying it, do try to find it and buy it. But if you're not interested in buying it, maybe you can just rent it or something like that. We do have some book rental stores in Malaysia. The one that I know of, I think that still exists, is in Central Market. It's located inside Central Market. It's kind of like a bookstore, a normal bookstore, but you can rent all the books in there at the normal price that you have to purchase for the book. And then depending on whether it's popular or whether it's an old book or something like that, the rent depends on those. Now, it can go from 3 ringgit to 5 ringgit, or as little as 1 ringgit, I think. I can't remember. But it's very nice. It's a very nice bookstore. There's a lot of new books and everything. The first time I rented a book from there was when I first wanted to read Harry Potter. I purchased the book, in a way purchased the book, and then I never returned it because I really liked it that much, so I didn't return it at all. So I really bought the book. It was a new book, so some of the books there are very new. So the Harry Potter book was a very new book. I didn't mind it at all that, you know, someone has read it or something like that. I just bought it and then I just kept it. Now, if you want to try out, there's a lot of book rental stores. You can find it online. You can try to locate it. I don't think they deliver, but you can go to the place wherever it is. For example, the one in Central Market, they are not online, I don't think so. So anyway, I recommend this book very much. Try to read it. Let me know whether you like it or not. It's a good book to read if you're traveling or something like that. It is very, very interesting. You'll enjoy it, trust me. So that's it for the book haul and book chit chat. I hope that you like this small haul, and let me know if you do read any of the Julia Quinn novels, any periodic novels, and let me know whether there are any others that I should look out for besides Julia Quinn. So you guys take care, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!